Hello there, welcome back. This video we're going to talk about layout guide in Figma. In our previous video we have talked about how to create a desktop in Figma. We want to have layout guides to help us lay out shapes, text with guides so that it's more aligned. So here we go. Make sure that you have selected your desktop. How do we know? Click on desktop. The whole desktop frame will be highlighted in blue. You can double check it on the layers panel. Why do I mention this? If you have selected your layout guides, you have selected your desktop, on the right panel, scroll down to find layout guide. If you did not select a frame, a device frame, but a rectangle in this case, layout guide will not appear because layout guides is not necessary for shapes, but for device frames. So let's go back to select desktop, scroll down, layout guide. Click on plus. Let's create columns first. Default is grid. Select columns, count, change to 12. Note that in edit mode, it will not dynamically change the columns to 12. As we move down to margins, change margins to 96. That's what we want, margin 96 for desktop. Again, it doesn't dynamically appear. We'll click on gutter because we're keeping gutter as 20. When you click on that, note that the margins now appear. So that is column guide for layout. We don't stop here. We want to create another guide, which is horizontal. While we have the desktop selected, click on plus again. Now, note that that pop-up did not appear here because it somehow appeared here, which is weird. Okay, I can drag it here, or we could just click on this, turn it off, turn it back on. In case you guys encounter the same issue, Figma does have a little bit of quirks. So we want to create rows this time. Rows help us align things horizontally, columns vertically. So rows, we want to increase it to 500. As you type 500, enter. Note that it doesn't show because it's been stretched at the moment. Choose top, now that we see them there. Change the offset to 8, gutter to 8. Press enter, so now you have both horizontal and vertical guides. Close this pop-up. We do not want to keep doing this for every single page that we create, so under this icon, it's called apply styles. We are trying to create styles now because there was no pre-created styles. So click on this, this appears, click plus, give it a name, desktop guide, create style. There you go. Now you have your own desktop guide. Zoom out. This is what we have. As you're building your web page, click on the rectangle. Okay, I'm going to click on rectangle. As you're building your web page, we zoom in, we duplicate the web page. The guide help us snap. Note that the lines, do you see the red lines appearing? Those are the lines that are snapping to the guides that help us keep our layout tidy. As we're building, we want to sometimes turn off the guides so it doesn't always show us the view with the guides. How do we do that? On the keyboard, press Shift G, it turns it off. So now you have a clean look of how your desktop will look. Remember just now we created a layout guide style. So I'm going to go on the canvas and click F, choose and create another desktop. F again is to create another frame. Desktop. We are here at the right panel. Click. Note that a desktop appears in the void. I'm going to drag it back in. Remember, if you have selected a desktop, layout guide appears. So now we have layout guides. Now we can apply. This is what we have created previously. Click, there you go. It's applied. Thank you.